today I'm going to show you how to prepare instant noodles just like a baked macaroni. So here you can see the ingredients. Half packet of boiled instant noodles. I took chicken flavor Maggi noodles, tomato, salt to taste, any kind of liquid milk, black pepper, 1 medium-sized egg, and here's some coriander leaf and spring onion. So I'm going to mix all the ingredients here and then I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I have already mixed it. So here I added 1 tablespoon of sauce. If you want, you can take 2 tablespoons of sauce, but not more than 2 tablespoons. Okay, then I added 2.5 tablespoons of liquid milk, pinches of salt, pinches of black pepper, and all other ingredients here. And I never use this kind of masala or spices packets which comes with the packets of instant noodles. And if you don't have any herbs like this, then what you can do, you can simply use this kind of parsley flakes or any kind of herbs. So now I'm going to microwave it for a few minutes. Depending on the power of your microwave, it will vary. So when it starts just flowing up, then I'll stop the microwave. Wow, can you see? Oh my god, it's so yummy. It looks yummy, I don't know. So it's fluffy, it's not very much firm or tender. So what I did, I set the microwave power at 50, which will be medium for other microwaves, and then I microwave it for 3.5 minutes. So just try to check it every 45 seconds or 30 seconds. When you see like there is no liquid, you can see that time it's done. So I love tomato ketchup, so I'll just make a smiley face using my tomato ketchup. Wow, it's smiling. I use this ketchup bottle. Anyways, so you just try it, make it, share it, enjoy it. Have a good day.